we're in that market where we're looking at what we can do to overcome some of these obstacles, look for problems to solve. If you're really genuinely concerned about helping the other side, you will be able to find ways because you'll understand what their problems are. Tell everybody that you know that you're in commercial real estate. Don't ask them for business. Tell them what you're doing and what your other clients are. That way you're pitching them. To find them motivated, you have to be motivated. Time block and protect it. Avoid the reluctant and work with the urgent. Naturally, we have to educate, provide accurate data to them. You can have somebody ready, willing, and able. So if they have unrealistic expectations, don't waste your time. And this is what I call go ugly early. What are the strategies that we can use? We hear about this big why. Why is the prospect doing this? Using good research prevents obstacles. I do the due diligence. If we present the issues up front, they're going to start to trust us. Find your resources. Working with your government officials and do it sooner rather than later. Make sure that you're working with your Economic Development Council. They're going to provide you with the market knowledge that you can deliver as a value proposition to prospect. We know walk the park to get you out of the damn office. You're driving in the area and you'll see an opportunity and you'll get more creative by being out in the community than by sitting in your office and wondering, where am I going to get the leads?